Fala galera, começando mais um vídeo aqui no canal Motores e Sonhos, sejam muito bem-vindos. Hoje vim trazer para você imagens sobrevoando a nossa Juiz de Fora, então acompanha com a gente aí. Vou começar aqui com a belíssima Rio Branco, Largo do Riachuelo à esquerda. E vamos subir. E a gente está com a visão central da cidade, centro de Juiz de Fora, próximo ao Museu de Artes Murilo Mendes, Rua Santo Antônio. E olhando esse mar de prédios aí, dá aquela vontade de deixar o like nesse vídeo, hein? Olha que imagens fantásticas, galera, para vocês.
I've been dead in water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you see it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. I've been dead in water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you see it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn,
brothers been calling, my enemies stalling, my people been balling, my team we been wildin'. Can't 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels, ain't do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us
E aqui a
getting
gente tá
started,
voltando
we just
pra
muscled up. This
vida
game
limpa.
spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. I'm balling on top of that mountain. I'm on and I'm calling my mama to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. Had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now. I got it on.
Dá uma olhada só nessa imagem, que sensacional, galera.